Good morning, online team. Can you hear me? Everyone? Good morning, Avinav, Ajad, all of them. Good, good. Shall we start? Okay. So, guys, there's a small thing I just wanted to see. Evening also, I take one batch for data science, and my few students already got the job offers. Let me show you. Akshay, Naresh, did you see? Hello, sir, I'm Akshay. He is my 6 p.m. batch. He got a job offer from TCS. Did you see this? I'm not opening this offer right now because still he's not joining. It's credentials. Yeah. So congratulations, actually. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Still the batch is going on. Still the batch is going on. And this guy already got the job. Did you see? It's a true or lie? It's a true, right? Okay. If you want, you can talk to them. Other students, check this. Online team, can you hear me? What I'm saying? Online team? Oh, I'm sorry. Thanks, buddy. I'm sorry. Just 1 second. Share the screen. Yeah. Yeah, getting. Now I shared. All right. Did you check? So Meghraj Naresh IT. So good afternoon, Prakash. I cracked the second round of data scientist role 2. Tomorrow at 6 p.m. I have salary discussions with HR. Understand? Once I get the offer, I will definitely share this with you. Thanks a ton for your help and guidance as always. Regards. Very good. And finally, I have a lot of students and saved his number. So this guy, he's a HR guy. He transit towards data science. Agree or not? Clear, everyone? Why I'm showing all these things to you? Why I'm showing all these things to you guys? Because listen what I'm saying. Please work on the task and projects because you don't have any work except the study, right? You don't have any work except study. Out of 24 hours, just spend 6 hours or 7 hours every day and all the projects, and we will done together. Clear all of them? Online team, are you understand or not? Everybody clear, guys? Yes, Avinav? Okay. Now today, very important sessions. Before, let's work together. All right. Now let me introduce to the pandas today. Let me introduce to the pandas, guys. Before the pandas, I give some of the work to you and then we'll discuss later part. All right. So let's discuss later part. For what pandas used for? I told you yesterday. Pandas is used for data frames. Everybody understand? Yep. Now let me go ahead. Let's open this one. Just one moment. Good, Avinav. Let's talk about this one. Okay. I will share, let me explain first, then I'll share the notes to you. Notes means the Excel sheet to you, and we all work together. Yes, guys? Okay, let's see. Boundary box to anchor means the box should be outside of the line. Did you check Control Shift and you scroll down? You get some informations. Okay, now let's see, guys. I have one data set. This is called, okay, this is called data set. Normally we called as a Excel sheet. Agree or not? Yeah. So how many numerical value and how many categorical values we have, guys? How many numerical values and how many categorical values we have? 2 numerical and 2 categorical, isn't it? So let me 16 makes sense. Okay. Now 2 numerical. All right. So at this moment, this data set is available in my system. right? So if I tell you, give me some analysis from this data set. So what you do maximum, you won't, you do a pivot table, and you do a filter and you get a lot of informations. But how, what exactly mean by pandas? I'm going to explain you this one. Okay. Let's this part. So do you see guys, this file I saved in, what exactly mean by panda? Let's discuss the pandas first, and then we talk about this one. Oops, Control Z. Oh, why I'm getting this one. Panda used for data frame. I think I already covered this one. Okay. Now just go back to this one, a little bit more hats on to it. Just 1 second. Yeah. Pandas. Did you see? Pandas is a software library written for Python programming language for data manipulations and analysis. Understand? In particular, it offers data structures and operations for manipulating numerical tables and time series. So time series all exactly the advanced thing. I'm just not getting too deep at this moment. Mainly understand pandas used for data frame. Got it? Now let's get back to the data set over here. I have country name, country code, birth rate of the country, in the country, how many internet users, and their income group, isn't it? Okay. So what type of array? Multi-dimensions. Can I say the array is multi-dimensions array, isn't it? Now the country name called Aruba, Afghanistan, and the country code ABW, right? And birth rate of the country is 10 percentages, and highest internet users and their income group of the country is high income. Understand the attribute descriptions, yes or not? Yes, understand the attribute descriptions. Same way, now at this moment, this data set is in my system. Where do I save this file? Cody, then Naresh, here, April 7th, 8th, data frame pandas, right? This is the demographic data, isn't it, guys? So what is the file extensions? Do you know? Doc means which extension, guys? Doc means WinWord, Word document. XLS means XLCX means Excel file. But now .csv means comma separated values. Understand? Comma separated values. So how do we see these extensions? Right click, go to properties, or else just expand it here. Microsoft Excel's comma separated value. Are you see this? Because all the time try to check the type, which type of my file is all about. You check this file informations, and we checked this is a .csv file. Clear? Okay, so at this moment I save the file here. Now let me work on advanced visualizations as well. Okay, and let's see one by one, and everyone will work together. This one I will share right away, and you can also open your laptop and let's do some workshop today. All right, so let's see this. How do I import this data to my software, to Jupyter notebook? So kernel, restart, and clear all outputs. So I hope, how do we import NumPy? Anyone? How do we import NumPy? Import NumPy as NP. Very simple. Yes. How to import Matplotlib? Import matplotlib.pyplot as today your first session. Today's your first sessions. Okay. So I think we covered a lot of things, buddy. Can you collect the recordings and all those things? Yeah. Anyway, you complete Python, then it's easy for you. No need to worry. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Chandrahash. Okay. You can ping, buddy. No need to worry. Yeah. And now import pandas as PD. Very simple, right? Now let me run this one. Pandas used for data frame, NumPy used for multi-dimensions array, all right, and Matplotlib used for visualizations, Seaborn used for advanced visualizations. Understand? Now let's get this. I create a variable called stats. I create an identifier called stats. pd.read, which file I have this one, .csv, right? .csv extensions, guys. So pd means what? Pandas.read csv, and then copy everything, copy. Okay, let's add this one. Let's add this one. See, listen to me, everyone. So maybe you talk about df equal to pd.read underscore csv, and I keep the file name, right? The locations of the where my file is located, isn't it, guys? Let's copy this, and bracket is closed. Yeah, bracket is closed. Now let's code this and let's run. Let's run. So what I'm doing right now, I am trying to import the file which I have in my system to the software which is called Anaconda. Got it? Yep. Now let's done this one. Did you see Unicode error? I'm got Unicode error. So I'm saying I need to give the permissions. If I apply R, read permissions. Now let's check this. Still you're getting error? Now just one moment. Let me change to double quotes. Okay. DataFrame pandas. Definitely I'll get error. I call the locations, but I have to assign the file name as well, isn't it? Now let's F2, copy, and .csv, isn't it? Understand or not? Now let's check. I hope it's done now. Now, when you see this one, stat, done or not? Everybody's imported to the data frame. Everybody's got it. Yes. So just one moment. I will share this desktop, this information to you right away. Can you please start working on right now? Everyone to the code. Online team, just bear with me. And let's see how many of get error and how many of them done successfully. Yeah. Please. Import this file to Jupyter. Guys, let me tell you, Python is different, data science is different. Understand? In data science codes, but the code is not required hard coded in data science. Understand? So if you never learned Python before, no need to worry. No need to worry. Understand? Just now I post the file to you. So can you please open your laptop and download this file, go back and upload the way I done, create a new notebook and start working on it. Okay, and just give a confirmations. Once we're done, let me go ahead to the next topic, because from today onwards, I am trying to introduce to statistics part as well. You know, statistics part. Yes, Mohammed, I cannot speak with you, but you can post your questions because I need to change the headphone. Drakshayani Chandrahas, please post your questions over here, right? Let's start. Anybody's doing? Any questions? Yeah, please let's speak to the admin. Yeah, I will send all those things, buddy. I think we just covered a few things. I'll tell you, okay, and then you continue. Once again, how to import this file? Very good. Import pandas as PD. Let me run this one. Yes. And after that, what I'm gonna do, let's add this one. You create any value here. You create any identifier. Not able to download. Come on, it's not my mistake, Archana. Drakshayani, look at this. You create a variable called df is equals to, you type this. Okay, I will send in the chart window. Let's copy and look at same problem. Why you're not able to download? Okay, let me tell you guys, very simple steps. Click on here. All right. Just click on here. Are you able to download or not? Download. See, the team is able to download. Check your net connections, guys. Maybe it is slow, then you can't able to download. Can you hear me online team? Yeah. They just click here, open a new window. See guys, how many times I told, it's almost 10 times I told you. Once you click this one, click on the three icons here and then open in a new window and then you get download options. You understand? Now you get it, guys? Sorry. Yeah. Thank you. Pavitra. Stand buddy. Archana, clear. Do it quick because today onwards, there are a lot of work I'm going to talk about, guys. Advanced things. All right. Import pandas as PD. Next one. Okay, just 1 second. Yeah, create stats. You create any identifier, buddy. You create. Okay, no problem. Just do it again. Everyone do it and just give me confirmations. The one who doesn't bring your laptop, do it today. And from tomorrow onwards, come back with your laptop. Understand? Or you don't have place to open laptop, guys, here? I think you have place to open laptop, isn't it? Yes. I'm able to read the data successfully. Very good, Sinduri. Are you able to read the data right now, whatever we have in the Excel sheets? Sinduri is done. What about others? So a little bit slow because some topic not understand. See, I'm very explaining slow, buddy. Washim, you shouldn't talk like that because one problem I continuously explain for 30 times. Very simple. I don't continue the next topic until you own done, isn't it? Yes, Washim? Please do it. Come on, then. It's opening. How come it is open now, Arshad? Before it was not opening. Okay, so once you open, create a new notebook, everyone. Go to Jupyter Notebook and click on new file and then upload new Python, open like this. Okay. Yes, team. It's open first attempt. Very good. Very good. Okay, not for you. Sorry. Just confirm me once done, I think. Okay, no worries. No worries. Sir, path may be different. Of course, because I opened my path locations. Yes, Rihan, you should open your path locations. Wherever you download, please do it and give a confirmations quick. Let's heading towards another one. Okay, that's okay. Because this is a workshop, it will happen. Yes. Very good, Archana. Are you able to read? Very simple way. See, in other way, there is multiple way to open this one. You might enter double slash forward, backward slash. No need to use all those things. Just follow me what I said. What I said, wherever the file is located, just copy the path locations, copy and paste it, and keep the file name .csv. Very simple. Still, anybody got any issues? Upload your errors in the screen. I will look at it to it and I'll get back to you. I will make you busy for 3 months, and after 3 months, you have to send your offers. The way just now, my one student, he cleared 2 rounds. Did you see? Second round of data scientist rule 2 tomorrow at 6 p.m. salary discussions. Yes, guys, many students already got the placed under my mentors, under my program. I want you to be one of them. Clear? But trust me, buddy, if you don't work, you never cleared. Where is the link? How many have done and how many have not done? How many of them got issues? Please fix quick. So any issues? Done. Very good, Pratyush. Nishu, are you done? Avinav, offline team, you got it? You got it, Sumit? No, you, buddy? You got it? Why you not get it? What's troubling you? Can you check? Buddy, you get it? Can you help others? Yeah, very good. This side also, check. Anybody got errors? You fix it? Check if anybody finds some issues, just help your friends, okay? You get it? You, what about you? Check this quick. Receiving things here and not able to attend the live class every day. Either I got late and gets missed due to link issue or IDK. Syed, it's not like that, my dear, because link is already posted in the software. So can anyone help to Syed, guys? From your side, if you could just alert them. Definitely, Syed. See, how come everybody will attend, Syed? Every day the class link changes, is it? No. Washim, do you think so? Chandrahas, the class link change every day? Akansha? Yes, sir, change. Okay, then, okay. No. Mahapatru said no. No. Washim, give a genuine answer, man. I never think the link will change because this is the software. You got the access to the software. You just click the start and then done it. Come on, buddy. Okay, anyway, I'll inform you. Tell me the issues. Might be check your net connection, all those things. Okay, anyway, Syed, I will tell them. No need to worry. See, guys, that is why the support team does not give the access to the classroom. This is not a technical question, Syed. You can post these questions in the chat window as well. Understand? See, do you want me to inactive the Google Classroom? Do you want me to inactive the Google Classroom? If no, then post your technical questions. Like just now Sumit posted, just now you got some Archana posted. You have some errors. We need to fix this one. Very good, Abdul, for help. Very good, Abdul, for help to Archana. Excellent job. Good job. Select your path, Nishu. Right, Chandrahas. How to paste the file name? I'm getting error. Let me tell you, Nishu, can you download this file here? Can you download the locations? The one which I sent you over here. Can we go to the next step? Sir, I'm getting some error while opening. Okay, listen to me, guys, everyone. Listen to me. Okay, the one who getting error, just click this one, download the file. After you download, just open this path. You create df equals to pd dot read underscore csv, and then apply r over here. Read only the file locations. Read only the file locations. Okay, and paste your path. Yes, Nishu, upload the file on Jupyter. We can also, you can do it, buddy. This is the right way to do that. Yes, Pratyush, you cannot do directly because Jupyter file can understand only .ipynb file, isn't it? Yes, Pratyush. This one, demographic.csv. Single quote, if double quote you try. Yes, upload. Very good. Guys, do not post irrelevant questions in the classroom. Might be it will logged again. I'm sorry for that. Okay, can we go to the next step? Nishu, it's done for you. Very good, Chandrahas. Got it? Very good. Done. Okay, calm down. Just calm down, guys. Just calm down. Okay. Now, the one who not done, that's okay. Team will help you. All right. Select the path, then demographic part is not being selected. You have to select. Now you get it or not? Nishu, give me the output. You get your output? Okay. So let's open the Excel sheets. Whatever the file I have in my Excel file that I imported to the software, isn't it? Now let's work on the analysis part for the same data. Let's work on the analysis part for the very good Bitin. I'm not done. Akansha, please done, because if I wait for everyone, then 1 hour will be gone, right? So no need to worry. Okay, I'll wait for another couple of seconds. Please do it. I'll wait for another couple of seconds. Guys, I'm going to give you a lot of projects. This is one project. This is one project using Pandas. Get it? Okay, now let's see. Let's go back to the, listen, guys. Okay, good enough. Now let's go back to the next step. If you look at these Excel sheets, total how many rows and how many columns we have? How many rows we have, guys? Let's talk about this one. Total 195 rows and 5 or 4 columns. 5 columns. Agree? Yep. Okay, upload. Very good, Abhinav. Excellent. Recorded classes I'm not able to see in a website. Come on, just wait. I'll get, just talk to the support team. All right. Now, how to see number of rows and columns in the software? Do you remember what functions I taught you in yesterday and day before yesterday? Which functions I taught you to see the rows and columns? Length. What is meant by length? Only rows, not columns. Did you see what is meant by stats? Stats is the identifier. Okay. Stats is the variable which hold entire data set. Agree? I hope you understand what I'm speaking. Yes. So listen to me, guys. Listen to me. Online team, listen to me. Then you can do. I will share this one. You can do it later as well. Okay. So listen to me, guys. Stats is the variable. Stats is the variable which holds entire data frame. Correct? Yeah. Now, when I do length of stats, can you try to check this one? What I'm getting output? Length of stats. What I get? 195 rows. Check this, please. Length of stats, because stats is the identifier which holds entire data set. Agree? Got it? Yes, guys. Now, length of stats. What you got output? 195 rows, right? Got it, guys? Cool. Now, how do you, what we understand? We understand the data because, let me tell you guys, in real time, whenever we're going to build the models, whenever we going to build the machine learning projects, the data we need to export from the database, right? So length operations, what exactly it'll give? It'll give you only total number of rows. Understand? And how to read the data frame? Just let me write here. Import pandas as PD and stats equals to PD dot read underscore CSV. Why CSV only? Type of file. What happens if you have Excel file? Very good. What happened if you have Excel file? We change to .ex, Excel CX. Yeah, just a little bit check. And then R. What is meant by R? What is meant by R, guys? Permissions. Read the file locations, and maybe you put the file in single quotes or double quotes, and file name and demographic data .csv. Understand or not? Clear? And then close the file. Single quote, single, you getting error? You okay, that's okay. You change single and double, that's okay. Stats. When you call the stats, the file will be done. Okay. Now, if you want to see the rows and columns, if you want to see, you see, if you have 195 rows, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, and you check. In the Wipro database, do you have only 195 rows? Or in Accenture company, do you have 195 rows? No, right? You have how many rows? Like billions of billions rows, right? How to read all those things? Very simple. There is a functions called stats. What is meant by stats? Identifier, which holds entire data set. Very good, Archana. Very good, Sinduri. What is meant by stats, guys? Stats holds entire data frame, right? Now stats.shape. Let's check this. What we get output here? Stats.shapes. Can you do it? Yes, Chakri. You can work the way I'm teaching. You can start working on your own, right? And I will explain few things. Tomorrow I'll give you one home task and I'll make you busy for this week. Understand, guys? Starts.shape. I hope you understand what we get right now. Number of rows and what shape defines. Shape defines. So how many rows we have? 195 rows, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Understand, Sinduri? So here, let me write down stats dot shape will gives you number of rows and columns. This is called what we do. We are doing data understanding. What we're doing? Data understanding. What is data cleansing? So in interview, they will ask you, can you please explain your data cleansing methods which you used for your existing projects? Understand? What's your question? They'll ask, please explain the data cleansing methods while you worked for your project, for the project. So these things we're going to understand later part. Clear, everyone? Got it? Now let's get back to the next topic. Stats.columns. What I should get here, guys? Stats.columns means columns names, column names. Let's run this one. Did you see index? Is this index or not? Country name, country code, birth rate, internet users. Are we get columns? See, guys, no matter your 15-year industry experience or freshers, these are the basic steps you need to work on it. Understand? These are the basic steps you need to work on it. And I would humble request the one who doesn't brings your laptop, please bring it. Upcoming days, I will connect to the database as well. I will tell you how to collect the raw data very in a real-time sessions. Guys, this is all about. Agree? You didn't bring your laptop? Why? Okay, tomorrow please try to bring, okay? And you practice this one, the one who don't bring this. Clear, guys? Okay, so what is stats.columns? What is stats.columns? We get all the column names. Clear? Now, I wanted to see the how many numbers of the column. How do you see this? Length. So can I pass copy and then length apply? Can I get it or not? Yes or not? Everybody clear? Everybody is working with me, online team? Sayed, are you clear? Yes, Sayed. The one who getting it, I don't know. Nishu, are you get it or not? Gaurav, Gautam, everyone, Durga Prasad, Deepti, Shubham, Sushma, Vinod, Yashin, all of them, guys. It's not what I know. It's all about how much you're learning that is important. Understand, guys? Print statement not required, Rihan, because Python is a dynamic programming language. Okay? Python is a dynamic programming language. Got it? Now let's talk about starts.shape. What is output I'll get now? Starts.shape. Shape. Number of rows and columns. Very good. Now let's check this one. 195 rows. Got it? Yes, online team. So when I execute stats, what is output I'll get? What is output I'll get when I execute stats? Entire data frame, entire data set. What is the name of the project? Demographic data. Yeah. Demographic data. Let's run this one. Agree or not agree? Clear? Are you guys working on it? Okay. Done till 13th line, all of them. Done till 13th line. Now the same way we will do visualizations. I'll ask a lot of projects as well, guys. Okay. And interview question as well. Now let's scroll down. If I wanted to see the top 5, just one second. Let's say another functions. So let me write down here what we done. Dot shape length. Okay. Dot columns, right? Dot columns. It will give you display number of column informations. Right. Now let me introduce head. What is meant by head? Let's see, and then you answer me. Starts. What is meant by starts? Entire data frame dot head. What exactly I'm getting? What exactly I'm getting, guys? By default, top 5 rows we are getting starts dot head. Understand? Top 5 rows we are getting dot head. Can you check on your machines? Are you getting 5 or are you getting 500 rows? Very good. Now dot head means it display top 5 rows. Now tell me, if I wanted to see the bottom 5 rows, what I need to execute? What I need to execute, guys? Stats dot, very good. Stats dot tails. We can inherit. Yes, Durga Prasad, I'll come back. Wait. Now, I don't want 5 rows. I need only 3 rows. Just pass an argument as 3. And let's check how many output I'll get now. 3, isn't it? 0, 1, 2. Because Python index begins with, got it? Understand, buddy? Yeah. So now if I remove this 3, what's output now? If I remove argument, what is the output? Very good. Top 5 rows. Make sense? The same way we try to work on OpenCV also, you will work, you can exciting. Okay. That project should be so exciting. All right. So stats.head, it will give you top 5 rows. Understand or not? Clear? Bottom 5 rows, stats.tail. Isn't it? Did you see one? Now you cannot compare with the data set, whether the software is correct or not. Let's see. Top 5 rows. 1, Aruba, Afghanistan, Albania, and then UAE. 1, 2, 3. Just go back to here. Top 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? Or it is giving some wrong informations. Is it giving some wrong informations? No. Right? Let's count towards bottom rows. 190. Yemen, South Africa, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. Just go back to here. See? You getting all the correct informations? Agree? Clear, guys? Online team, are you understand or you stuck somewhere? Stats dot, it will display in one page up to 6 row. Chakri, do not do research right now. Okay. You can do after the class also. We have 1 hour 15-minute sessions. So let's complete, and then I will give a lot of work. I'll give a lot of work right now. Okay. Now stats.tail. If I wanted to see the bottom 10 rows, what output I'll get here? Bottom 10 rows, correct? Yes, guys, understand or not? So, because if I ask you, what are the numerical data, what is the categorical data, you can easily tell, right? You can easily tell, but how do you visualize? How do you show that? There is a functions which we called, see guys, these functions, whatever I'm telling you, that is used in the companies. All right, those are rapidly we using. Understand? So you need to practice all those things. Let me introduce stats.info. Info means shift tab plus. If you see this, you get lot of informations. Did you see stats.info? Max columns. What exactly value we will get? We will get maximum columns, how many memory, how much size it uses, whether the data has missing value or not. Let's check this one, stats.info. Did you see? Can you read this? What I'm getting? .info. What I'm getting? .info. Let's look at this. Let's check the screen. The first country name. Okay, class pandas.core from DataFrame. The range index base from 0 to 194. Total columns 5, isn't it? Is there any null value in the data? Is there any null value in the data? Yes or not? How do you say no? Because the null 195 rows, 195 values is given up here, isn't it? So there is no null value. Online team, are you understand? Avinav, when I say something, please listen. Okay. After complete the class, you can ask, why you require top random rows? The data set is given, you need to find some insight from the data and you can talk to the management. Yeah, understand, buddy? Please listen. There is a problem. If I start workshop, there is a problem is you ask which is irrelevant questions, which does not sound good, isn't it? Okay. Now let's focus on info. .info means it will give you informations of the data. What informations? Did you see there is a data type? Country name is which data type? Category. Have we ever see data type called object? We create the object. So we need to change this object to category. Understand or not? We need the object is what? Object is a variable or identifier. We never see any object. So this is object or category? This is not an object, right? But system by default, it considered as a object. Make sense? Now, birth rate is float. Agree? Birth rate is float. Internet users also float. Did you see? But at this moment, this is called, there are 3 object and 2 float data type. Got it? What is memory usage? 7.7 plus KB. I mean, out of 8 GB RAM, it consumes 7.7 plus KB. What exactly info it will do? Informations, guys. Informations means what, guys? Entire data set informations means, okay, there is a very important concept is called info. Clear? Are you get same values or you get different value? So you do not try today, you remove this part and you can check, am I getting? Yes, it will get. You get, if I remove 3, there's a missing value 4, correct? I will give you a lot of work for upcoming days, sessions, and we're going to understand all the values. Now let's write down here .info. Info, it will give you informations of the data set. Informations means what? Missing value, right? And data type and memory uses. Understand, everyone? Can we go to the next? And after that, I will talk about another thing. Describe. Anyone know what is this describe? Let me tell you guys, dot describe will gives you the descriptive statistics informations. Okay, dot describe means descriptive statistics informations. When I execute this one, stats is what? Entire data set dot describe. Let's run this. See how many columns we have in a data? 5 columns. Starts dot describe, every time it will give you numerical informations, never gives you categorical part. Understand or not? Yes guys. So let me write down dot describe used for descriptive statistics, because in future I will talk about statistics as well. What is meant by descriptive, what is meant by inferential, I'll talk about it. Okay, let's explore little bit output, what exactly we are getting. Like now why we talk about histogram over here, let's talk about count, birth rate and internet. So interview questions, dot describe always gives you numerical attributes, not categorical attributes. Remember this one guys. So that's what I'm always gives numerical informations, but not categorical. All right, dot describe. Let's mean, go back to the Excel sheet, birth rate, right? What is the mean of the birth rate? 21.46. Agree? Are you able to see this? The average is mean 21.46. Let's go back. Are we getting 21.46 over here? Yes, Washim. Yes, Chandrahash. Yasin, everyone, guys. Chakri, Pratyush, Nishu, Rihan, Mohammed. Guys, are you understanding or not what exactly I'm talking about? Yep. Now let's go back. Standard deviations. At this moment, there is a, what is meant by standard deviations, guys? Let me tell you, if you have 1, 2, 3, what is the average? 6 by 3 is what? 2, right? Now first you calculate a mean is equals to 3. Now you calculate variance. How to calculate variance? 1 minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square. Understand? When you solve this one, when you root of all these things, then you get a standard deviations, right? So in descriptive statistics, no need to worry. I will explain these topics again. Understand? Yes, team. So standard deviations of birth rate is 10.60. Clear? Now, what is minimum value? What is minimum value? Let's go back to the data set. In the birth rate, let me filter out 7.9, isn't it? What is the minimum value? 7.9. What is the maximum value? What is the maximum value? 49. Are we get the same value here? Minimum 7.9 and maximum 49. Understand online team, everybody is clear or not? Everybody clear online team? Yeah. Now, what is this 25 percentile, 50 percentile, 75 percentile? Let's understand this. Go back to here. Let's click on birth rate. 50 records, let's consider. What is 50% of 195 records, guys? Something 50 percentiles. Wait, just let me show you. Yeah, wait. 50% means let's consider for the 50 records and then I'll show you. Okay, what is that? 19.40, right? Just go back to here. Are we get something 50 percentile means 19.68? Yes or not, guys? Yeah. You need to consider 50 records and 25 records and 75 records, something like that. But this is not that mandatory. Friends in offline, if there is any WhatsApp group. Chandrahash, why you required WhatsApp group, man? I don't understand. One group is not good enough. After that, you can go for a Facebook group. After that, you can go for a Twitter group, isn't it? You are come here for a study, practice, get job, send me the offer. That's why. Are you understand or not? Okay, please understand. All right, buddy. Thanks. See, till this part, I will clear. Yes, that's right, Chakri. 50 row, 50 row. If you talk about 50 row, then you get the 19.68 values. Understand? But the describe main functionality is about this one. Mean, what is the average? What is minimum value? What is maximum value? Clear? Got it? Now who's at this one? So do one thing, guys. What is meant by transpose in Excel file? What is meant by transpose we are doing? What is meant by transpose, guys? It will change from rows to columns and very good, Washim. Yes, Chakri. Rows to column. That's not median. Median won't come here, Rajat. If you want to know median, we have to write a median code, which I will explain in statistics concepts. After complete exploratory data analysis, I will start statistics. Okay, Ajat. At that time, I will tell you. Clear? Clear? Now, what exactly mean by transpose? It will convert rows to columns and columns to rows. Very simple. Now let's done this one. See this, look at this two part, birth rate and intent users. Understand or not? Okay, guys. Now starts dot head 2. What is the output? Top two rows, right? Now till 22, we will done today, and next time we will talk about it. Okay. Now the next topic would be, just one moment. Okay. Now let's see, to everyone, oops, not this one. Okay. Did you see, guys, these 4 tasks? Okay. GitHub, LinkedIn, Stack, HackerRank. How many of them these profiles? Anybody have GitHub account? LinkedIn, Stack, and HackerRank. See, guys, if I ask, do you have Facebook account? Everybody said yes. Do you have Twitter account? Everybody said yes. You know why? Whenever you go for a functions, very nicely you pick your photo and upload in the social accounts, right? So that everybody can see you, how beautiful you are, isn't it, guys? The same way, whenever you done your coding, is it a coding or not? Why not you upload? Can you upload in Facebook? They will unfollow you, right? When you upload coding in FB and Twitter, they will unfollow you, correct? For coding background, you have a software called GitHub. In real time, I will tell you what is the important role of GitHub. Understand, guys? Please understand very few things. Task 0 you completed, upload in your GitHub. Task 1 is complete, upload in GitHub. Task 2 complete, upload in GitHub. Understand or not? Sir, I don't understand how to GitHub. Now, if I ask you questions, 20 years back, give me the actor and actress of this movie. You go to Google and find out and give me immediately answer, right? But if I tell you, please practice, research, and try to do how to open a GitHub, you can't do. Sir, give me some path. Understand or not, everyone, what exactly I'm speaking? Guys, the GitHub is very important for a professionals like us. Very good, Avinav. If you have, can you help to others? Can you help to others, Avinav, in your online group? Yes or not? And do not upload your photos in GitHub. Okay? And do not upload codes in FB. And don't say, sir, you told that. I didn't tell this one. I told coding, you need to upload in Git and Stack. Why to use LinkedIn? I will tell you later part, not right now. Everybody's clear? That is the first thing. Now, let me remove this one. See, project one. Now you may ask, sir, every day you give me a lot of work. So of course, guys, you have to work, right? If you drive your vehicles, then only you'll expert. Okay. So here, very simple task I'm going to give you. Python basic code. How many time it required to complete? You tell me, guys, honestly. One day. One day it is good enough to complete this first task. Data structures. Only 1 or 2 days, right? This you required maybe need some time. Okay. Stack. Main important is Git account. Main important is Git account. All right. LinkedIn, I will tell you later. Okay. And another thing is metrics visualizations, which we done to increase continuous with the people in the industry. Excellent, Yasin. Understand. Okay. Now, I wanted to introduce a very, this is going on. The class is going on. So at this moment, you need to complete 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. All right. 4 tasks, guys. You have Saturday, Sunday, or holiday. Please try work on this one. Last part. I will share. Sumit, why you take photo? Okay, just one moment. Come on, man. All right, just okay. Now let's look at this one. Okay, did you see scipy.github? Understand or not? Let's copy this. Okay, see, yesterday when I explained why you people are dropping off. Okay, maybe you connect from phone. The net is over, it seems. Let's see. Okay, see what exactly happened here, guys. On yesterday, we were talk about some of the functionalities of NumPy, right? NumPy.reshape, NumPy. Multiple things we saw this one, isn't it? How do we remember all the NumPy functions? Yes, Mohammed, all rows into columns, columns into rows. I will give you one link. Did you see A to Z, capital A to small g? All the NumPy functionalities you can find out in one link. Clear or not? From A to Z, let's understand this one. Can you please tell me from NumPy import A equal to what exactly I'll get? See, let's see this. Can anyone explain what is the out? How do I got this output? This part, this part. What is the output? I'm saying arrange 12 means 0 to 11 because Python index begins from 0 to 11. And I'm saying reshape 3, 2, 2 means what exactly 3 means? Not 3 rows, 3 dimensions and 2 rows and 2 columns. Understand, guys? Yes, Ajad, it's a 3 matrix. Paste the link here, sir. Chakri, I will paste. I will send this group to you. I'll send this task to you. The link is pasted here. Okay. So this is complete informations I given to you. Guys, let me tell you, I am not assigning the tougher task to you. If you do not practice these things, who will pay you 1 lakh per month, man? Isn't it? Do you think somebody come, I'll give you job and after 1 month go, you not work? It's not like that way, isn't it? Agree or not agree? I am giving the work in international schools, they're teaching you. There's not a rocket science. I'm not giving any kind of cosine similarity functions or equations or algebras and all those things. You no need to ask anyone. Just sit calm, off your WhatsApp, start quality learn, and then get your output. That you get a confidence, guys. That confidence will get a job offer. Trust me. Lot of my students already get placed. I trying to create my placement folders over here. Yeah, feedback and placed. Did you see this? Everybody. Okay. So please work on this. I need from this batch any 2 to 3 one among them. I know only 2 to 3 will get, rest of them won't get. I know that as well. Let's see who are the 2 to 3 guys. Okay, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Any updates I will post in the chat. Please all the time look at this screen, guys. Do not post any irrelevant questions in the Google Classroom. Because of one student, entire team should not suffer. Please try to work more and more. Clear? Understand, guys, what exactly I'm saying? And I'll post this one right away. Clear or not? Everybody understand? Okay. All right, guys. See you tomorrow and have a great day. Bye-bye. I will send this one right away. Just one moment, please. Which one? Short notes? Yeah. Okay. I will send now. Wait. I will send now, guys. Okay. Please work and trust me. Google Classroom. Akansha, I already gave you. Sir, please repeat again about path. Prasanna, I think, okay, I will. Prasanna, can you copy this path? I will do it. Or maybe you can post your questions in the chat. Anyone can help you, okay? One moment, just give me a second. Just give me a second. Guys, interesting? Yes, guys? Copy. And let's post here to everyone. This is the path. Please find out. Okay, now let me add this one. Okay, it's done. See you tomorrow and have a great day. Bye, guys. See you. Catch you tomorrow. Please work on below projects. Please work on GitHub file. Please. Guys, you can ask any questions. What happened? You don't go today? Hmm? They're here, right? You can go and speak with them. Amazon, what's a project? Which projects? Technical or non-technical? Huh? You know SQL good, right? Then it's good. You add on to Python, combine SQL Python, and then apply machine learning stats, and you go for data analysis or machine learning engineer. Combine SQL, Python, stats, ML, and Tableau. Go for ML or data analysis. Clear? Yeah. I don't know, but in NESCOM, please talk to them. Yeah, first of study. NESCOM only, get a job. Then you can do things, okay? Yeah. Let's post. Yes, please. Very good. Which company, dear? What you saw? Okay, as a fresher, data analyst, you're good at SQL? Okay, so you know, right? Just attend, nothing happened. You just go and let's see. No. We freshers? Which, how many years? Oh my God. So definitely they will ask on the projects. Prepare well what work you've done before. Okay, so no problem. You go for company, write down whatever questions they ask you. If you fail this time, next time I'll give you, you can fail. Yeah, I'll be helping you. Okay. Yeah. Thanks.